I'm making Samian Ware Dragendorf 37 bowls today. And you might, or those of you who know me, will know that I've often talked about the fact that Samian ware is not the super high status pottery of the Roman world that sometimes it's sort of billed to be. Often pieces are found on archaeological sites and people get very excited about it, suggest that, oh, this is a high status site because of the Samian ware on the site. But in actual fact, it was mass produced in quite big factories. And the process starts with these punches, pensions. These are the decorative elements that will be used on the surface of the semi-ware bowl. But they're not to stamp onto the pot itself. They're actually to stamp onto a mould. The mould is simply another ceramic bowl. So this here is a mould which is busy making a Samian ware bowl like this one. But what that means is that no piece of Samian ware is unique. It's manufactured as on a production line, and the same item occurs time and time and time again, and was distributed around the Roman world and very popular. And probably it was more expensive than the average locally made pottery. I always sort of suggest that it's maybe John Lewis rather than Asda, but it was certainly not super high status. If you were really high status, what you had on your table was silver or bronze or something like that. Same way, yes, commanding officer along Hadrian's Wall, entertaining guests at a party. Yes, probably they've got sailing ware on the table because it looks good, looks nice. And as a mass-produced item, of course, we try and produce it in exactly the same way as the Roman potters would have produced it in the first place. So this one is currently in its mould, and the most exciting moment for a Samian ware pot is when it comes out of its mould, to see if I've got it in there nice and tightly, nice and smoothly. This was put in there last night on the potter's wheel, so with the wheel spinning round, I forced the clay into this mould. It's stamped in the bottom with a potter's history mark, just so as there can be no mistaking it for an original item. And what I'm going to do at this stage is lift it out. And you can see that because it's shrunk back, it comes straight out. And you can see on there the decoration that will be the same as the decoration on this one when it's finished. So there we go, Samian ware. Not so high status, but still a fairly clever and advanced pottery technology.